Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can increase the volume of a video file using Audacity. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, you need to have installed Audacity on your computer, and I will open this Audacity here. This is the Audacity where you can increase the volume or edit the audio file. But I was here editing the video file, but I find that the audio of this video file is too low. I tried to increase the volume of it, but it's still not audible for us. You can listen this audio file. It is not audible. So how we can increase the audio of this video file? First, we need to export this file. I'm using editing software as Filmora. Here you can select the MP3 and export. It will export only the audio file. Then when we have an audio file, then we can increase the audio of this file using Audacity. It will take some time to export this audio file. Audio file has been exported. Click close. Click here close. Now we can open the Audacity here and click file and then open, and the file has been exported to my documents and Filmora under the output. Here you can see this is our audio file, my video 4.mp3. Open it. Now the audio file is opening on Audacity. Now click play, whether we can see that whether our audio file is audible or not. Click play. Audio of this computer is totally 100%, but still it's not audible. That means we need to amplify this audio, increase the volume of this audio file. Click here effect and click volume and compression and amplify. It shows that we have to select the file first. First click on this waveform and click Ctrl A, and then click effect and volume and compression and then amplify. Here you can see that the amplification is here default 2.8.0, 2.804. We can increase it by 10, and apply is not enabled here because we have to allow clipping. Then apply will be enabled. Click here allow clipping and click here apply. Now it will amplify the audio of this file, or we can say increase the volume of this file. Now let us see whether the file has increased the volume or not. Click here play. Hello guys, in this video we will know about how. Yes, we can see that audio is now audible. We can also use some other effects like EQ and filters so that our audio will be tuned and smooth. Click here apply. Now let us check again the audio of this file. Hello guys, in this video we will know about how. Yes, it is smooth and fine. And now we can export it as MP3. Click here and click on desktop and click save. You can enter the artist name, track title, all the things here, but I will keep it as default. Click OK. Now it's exporting audio file. Now as we have exported the audio file, we can now use the same audio file to our video file. Let us import here that audio file which we have rectified. Now go to the desktop, and here you can see the audio file, exported audio file, my video 4.mp3. Open it, and we can use the same audio file on below of this video file. And here you can see the video file. It have its own audio, but we can remove that audio by detaching. Can see here detach audio. Here you can see the actual audio file of this video, which is original, this one, but we can delete it as we have filtered the new audio, and we will see that whether the audio is now audible or not. Hello guys, in this video we will know about how we can install Windows 11 operating system. It is still a little low, but we can increase here using 6. Increase all the channels and click OK and see using VMware workstation. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now you can see that we have increased the volume of this audio file of this video file. This is the way how we can increase the volume of this video file by using Audacity. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.